Hi, everyone. My name is Jai Tour. I'm going to walk you through how we used LangGraph's DeepAgents framework to get a working GTM agent within a few hours. And most of that time was getting the Slack API to work. Quick example of how the agent works or how you access it. Tag it in Slack. Can you take the last 5 leads in ADIO and run the enrichment to get their LinkedIn's? Here are the 5 LinkedIn profiles. So in the background, it's hitting ADIO, it's going and then enriching the users. And then I said, can you draft outbound messages and add it to lemlist, which it did here. So we have the 4 users added to a campaign that it generated. It did not make a sequence, but that is a bug I'll work on. Um, and yeah, so how we actually set that up in the backend, what can it do? We gave it anything enrichment or third-party provider related. So you have enriching context, searching, researching, verifying, and building lists. You can see the providers that you get out of the box. And so why would you use Deepline versus just building this directly within the DeepAgents framework? Uh, Essentially, with Deepline, you do one API key, and then every other provider is connected through here. So you have your CRMs centrally authenticated and managed, platform integrations. Uh, Lastly, everything that goes through that gateway is logged to a database that the agent can use as its backend. So you have a read-only or read-and-write database, depending on the use case. Uh, every enrichment that comes through, whether it comes through our native enrichment or drop leads, lead magic, it all gets tied to the same profile. So we're building an identity graph of every user. And so that's the back end that makes it a lot easier to do things like scoring, workflow automation. You can pass webhooks in here. But the core value prop for the agent use case is just one integration point, one billing point, and you get all of these providers out of the box. So what you actually have to do to start, uh, you can fork this repo. I deployed on Railway. It was super easy, took minutes. And then the actual tasks, we have breakdowns of how to use different providers or how the agent might be designed. You can use that for Claude Code to understand what's happening as well. And then you can see the Deepline call. Uh, these are the types of tools that we're providing. So these are examples here. Deployment's all here as well. Basically, what we were trying to prove out is that we can get to close to this level of complexity on the infrastructure side within a couple minutes, and that was successful. What you still have to add yourself is how should these data points be interpreted? Like, how do you use your BigQuery usage data? What's your qualification logic? We have that hard coded in ICP. So this is where I passed in some ICP context. Who's our ideal customer and who should be qualified? You can pass it in however you want. This is just an example here. But overall was a great experience. Would highly recommend trying out the DeepAgents framework. And you can get this repo as well. Let me know if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks.